If you own a Galaxy, stay tuned, because you're missing out on a lot. If you ever purchased a Galaxy, you are already Samsung members, meaning you are first to learn about a new release. Share your enthusiasm with fellow Galaxy fans. Join the buzz to get hidden tips. And all of that will turn into more benefits. Perhaps into amazing gifts. Or an invitation to a special event. Something unexpected yet awesome will happen. The only problem is that you don't have a clue. No worries, we got you. So, let's get to it now. Because you deserve so much more as Samsung members. A whole new Galaxy in your own Galaxy. Samsung members.